Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bisola, and in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve using the freehand method. If it's something you're interested in, keep watching. So the first thing to draft a basic pattern using freehand method, the first thing that you need is your round sleeve measurement. Your round sleeve measurement is the fullest part of the hand, which is this part of the hand, which is usually this upper part of the hand. That is the fullest part of the hand. That is where your round measurement is. Your round sleeve measurement is. That is the important measurements you need most. So for example, let's use my round sleeve measurement, which is going to be 10, which is 10 inches. Okay. So let's say my round sleeve measurement is 11 inches. But if you don't want it to be tight for the person, but this is my round sleeve measurement, 11 inches. You can see there's still space there. That's the fullest part of my hand. So with 11 inches being the roundest part, round sleeve, so whatever you get as the person's round sleeve plus 6 inches. That's how I'm going to calculate our round sleeve, plus 6 inches. So let's say my round sleeve, which is 11 inches, plus 6 inches, is going to give us 17 inches. So what I'm going to be measuring out as the total for my sleeve is for the width of my sleeve. That is the width of my sleeve is going to be 17 inches. But I'm going to be using the paper to illustrate so that you can see it, so that you can be clear. But I'm using freehand method, meaning that you're drafting it directly on your fabric, not on paper. So when you're drafting it directly on your fabric, so I need 17 inches now. So 17 inches now, unfold. So now 17 inches unfold is what we're going to cut out now as the width. Then your length. I'm using a long sleeve to do example here. Then that long sleeve we can adjust it to short sleeve or whatever it is. But I'm using long sleeve to explain first. So let's say 17 inches. So my long sleeve length is 24 inches. 24 inches. So this is 24 and a half here. So I'll just use the length of this paper. So I need 17 and a half, which is going to be, my paper is already on fold, so I'm going to be dividing this 17 by 2. That will be 8 and a half. So I need 8 and a half here. So here now I have 18 and a half. I'm going to cut it out. So I have 8 and a half. That's 17 inches. But on fold, I have 8 and a half. So now this is my sleeve. This is my sleeve. So the next thing we are going to do, when we are using this method, this freehand method, another thing you need to know is your length. If you are cutting a short sleeve, short sleeve, you're going to be dividing your length by 2. If it's a 3/4 sleeve, you divide it by 3. If it's 3/4 sleeve, you divide it by 3. If it is long sleeve, you divide it by 4. Whatever your length is, if it is short, you divide it by 2 to get what I want to explain to us now. So my length for this one now is 24. Divided, which is going to, I'm going to divide it by 4. That's going to be 6. So here I'm going to be coming down here by 6 inches. I'm going to be coming down here by 6 inches. So that is if I'm dividing, if I'm cutting for a long sleeve. So I'm going to be having here, I'm going to divide in 20. My long sleeve, the direction my long sleeve is 24. Divided by 4 is going to give me 6. So I'm going to measure down 6 here. So is that 6 that I'm going to curve to this place? I'm saying it's a freehand method, not paper. So it's freehand. So just connect it from here down here. You leave like 1 inch before you get to the tip here. So that is it for the curve. That is it. So the next thing you just do is to the next thing you just do here is to measure out your round sleeve. My round sleeve here It's a long sleeve. My round sleeve here is 8. So divided by 2, I'm going to have 4 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'm going to have 5. So just connect that 5 here. So this is it. So this is our basic sleeve. So these are our basic long sleeves. So these are basic long sleeves. So this is for long sleeve. So I'm going to cut it out for us to see the outcome. So this is our sleeve. These are basic long sleeve. Freehand method. I only use paper for explanation purpose. So if it's short sleeve, as I explained earlier, if it's short sleeve, let's say that I'm going to be using the same 8.5, which is my round sleeve for the short sleeve. So I'm going to be measuring out 8.5 from this now. Eight and a half. So my short sleeve length is 8 inches. So I'm going to be measuring 8 inches. So I'll be repeating the same thing here too. I said if it is short sleeve, we are dividing it by 2. So my short sleeve is 8 inches. I'm going to be dividing it by 2. That will be 4. So I'll measure 4 inches here. Then connect it here. My round sleeve for short sleeve is 11 inches. That will be 5.5. 5.5 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. So 11. So I'm going to connect it here. So this is it for short sleeve. This is it for long sleeve. So these are short sleeve, these are long sleeve. And if it's 3/4, you repeat the same thing. Instead of dividing by 2 that I did here, for 3/4 you divide by 3. So that is it for how to cut basic sleeve. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on fabric now, so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with the fabric. So I'm going to be folding 8.5 inches here too. I'm going to be folding 8.5 here too. So 8.5. Here I also need 8.5, so I'm going to be measuring 8.5. Now measure out the length. My length is 24, but this is fabric that I'm working with. And fabric is going to have sewing allowance. So I'm going to be adding my sewing allowance here now. So I'll be adding 2 inches. I'll use 1.5 to turn it in at the lower parts, then ½ inch to join it to the main bodies. So instead of 24, I'm going to be cutting out 26 for my length now. So now I have So let me measure out the 8.5 that I need. 8.5 is not a constant. Don't forget how we got our 8.5. It's the person's round sleeve plus 6 inches. The 6 inches is a constant. It is always 6 we add to it. That's freehand method of cutting a basic sleeve. So this is it now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to repeat the same thing divided by 24 divided by 4 that I did earlier, which is 6. So I'm going to come down by 6 inches here. Come down by 6 inches, then connect it as I explained with the paper. Then here, I'm going to measure out the round sleeve, which is 4 inches. Our actual allowance 1 inch, that's 5. So I'm going to connect that 5 to this point. So that's just it. That's how to cut our basic sleeve. So this is it. This is how to cut a basic sleeve pattern. So this is it on fabric. You can see it here. This is it on paper that I used to explain earlier. This is the paper I used in explaining. So this is it on paper. So this is it for short sleeve. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be there to answer. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.